Yo, he has a Roblox
too. The same guy. His first email that he sent me said, "Hey, Daddy, remember me, Big Poppy? I'm your boyfriend." And then he said, "You remember when we were at the little cabin? We played silly. What the hell's he talking about?" And then he sent me a link to his YouTube channel, and he said, "I made more videos for you, silly." And that's when I realized that this was going to be fun. If he wants to email me, that's fine. But if he makes YouTube videos about me, that's where it goes. He then emailed me and said, "Cracker or snacker me your big banana." And then he sent me an email that said, "My friend made a video for me." And it was a link to a YouTube video. I didn't want to click this link because this guy is weird. He's super creepy. He might send me a fake link and try to figure out where I live and find out my address. So, I didn't want to click on this video, but I clicked on it. This video says, DJ Cooker likes something. There's a Roblox character walking. Then there's my Roblox character staring at him. Why did your friend make this video? Turns out, his friend didn't make this video. He made this video. He kept emailing me weird stuff. He said, "Oh, silly daddy, thanks for making the babies with me on one day. I forgot Tim behind." And then he asked me to add him on Roblox, and then he sent me an email that pissed me off. You know how recently